Hi, I am Vijesh, a software developer by profession. I have over 20 plus years of hands-on experience in software development. As part of my career, I have interviewed several hundreds of candidates. Many of the candidates attending interview has no idea about coding or programming concepts. Many think that basic knowledge about if else, while loop, for loop, and data types is enough to write program. But in reality, when the complexity of the system increases, the program also becomes complex. So it is very important to you to understand how to write quality code that is easy to read, easy to understand, easy to maintain, and easy to expand. If you are someone really interested to learn concepts behind programming, I welcome you to a course named Art of Programming, where we will learn about concepts behind programming in depth.